Image-to-prompt generator AI is one of the most exciting AI tools just released, and today I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just an AI enthusiast, this tool could be a game changer for you. Stick around because by the end you'll have a clear understanding of how it works and why it might be worth integrating into your digital toolkit. Let's dive in. The Image-to-prompt generator AI is designed to take any image and automatically generate detailed text prompts for you. These prompts can be used in other AI tools, like those that generate artwork or text. If you've ever struggled with coming up with the perfect prompt for a creative project, this software streamlines the process and makes it incredibly easy. First off, it's an incredible time saver. We all know how tedious and time-consuming it can be to craft the perfect prompt, especially when you're trying to get a specific result from your AI tool. With this software, you upload an image, and it generates a prompt that would take you hours to come up with manually. It's that simple. Just upload and let the software do the heavy lifting. The next thing you'll want to know is that it's surprisingly accurate. The AI doesn't just spit out a generic prompt, it looks at the context of the image and extracts key details, including objects, textures, color schemes, and even implied meaning. So if you're using it for creative design, writing, or content generation, you'll get a more personalized, nuanced prompt that leads to higher quality outputs. Another critical feature is how versatile it is. It's not limited to any one type of image. Whether you're working with photos, illustrations, or even complex digital art, the image-to-prompt generator can adapt and provide a high-quality, context-aware prompt. This is particularly useful for creators who work across multiple media types and need prompts for a variety of projects. What makes it stand out from other AI tools is its ease of use. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're not a tech expert, you can start using the software right away without a steep learning curve. It's also web-based, meaning you don't need to download or install anything, so you can start using it immediately after signing up. Now I know you're probably wondering, what's the catch? Well, there's a pretty big plus here. You can actually try the Image-to-prompt generator AI completely free. Just click the first link in the description and you can start generating prompts from images right now without paying a dime. A lot of AI tools promise a lot, but fall short in delivering results. However, based on my experience and after testing thousands of AI tools, this one really impressed me with how accurate and useful the prompts were. It's definitely one of the better AI tools I've seen recently. Lastly, if you're looking for recommendations for other AI software, I've put together a list of some of the best tools I've tested over the years, and you can try them all for free in the description below. After working with thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked the most reliable and efficient ones, so you don't have to waste time trying out the wrong tools. In conclusion, Image-to-prompt generator AI is an absolute must-try if you're in the creative field or if you work with AI in any capacity. Its ease of use, versatility, and accuracy set it apart from other tools, and I'm sure it'll make your projects a whole lot easier. Don't forget to check out the free trial through the link below and take your creativity to the next level with this powerful AI tool.